In this video, we're going to be going over how to desensitize your scar. We're going to be working 1 inch above and below your scar to start, and then eventually along the actual incision itself. So you want to start using something really soft like a cotton ball or a cotton swab like I have here. And as you can see, I'm just brushing really lightly across the incision. I'm not applying very much pressure here. And then in reference to the directions in which I'm going, where you can go in, you can do it up and down, side to side, or in circles. Another material that you can use around the home is a clean or sterilized makeup brush. Again, you can see that I'm just making circles here above the actual incision and then below it. You can do these same exact techniques to the actual scar once it's ready and healed. Here I'm using a Q-tip. With the Q-tip, you're going to feel a little bit more point tenderness or pressure. So this is going to be a little bit different from using the cotton swab, but again, using the same exact techniques and directions. Here I'm using a rougher washcloth, but to begin with, you can use a softer one like a baby cloth or something like that. Again, same exact techniques that you're using as before. Now, once you're ready to move into vibration and different sensations, to just kind of wake those nerves up, you can use an electric toothbrush. I suggest using a clean head of the toothbrush. Again, the bristles in itself is giving you one sensation, and then you can use the bottom part of the toothbrush to do it for just vibration. Once you're ready to add in more of a sharp versus dull pressure sensation, again, this is to help you with wearing of clothes or things being able to touch the area. You can use a clean plastic fork, and you're just, again, gently scraping around above the scar as well as below the scar. Whenever you're ready, you can also do that to the actual incision itself once it's completely healed. Again, one side you're doing it for dull sensation, and the other side you're doing it for sharp sensation. You want to do this desensitization for 3 to 5 minutes a day until the actual area is less sensitive.